So I studied Tretch, naughty by nature.
Tretch is difficult to rap like, because Tretch is like, his shit is really complicated, you know? I just heard a new record with Tretch.
I can click, clack, pat, tat. Wait, what was he say? I can click, clack, snap, rap, pat, tat, tat, tat. Take that ass to the point you have to ask for your ass back. The fucking joker smoker, taunted by knowing if I was born and shown me simple, I would have turned out a chauffeur.
Oh shit, we got the little ice tea, that was the art of rap. He's gonna show you how this shit is really done. Let's go! My name is Tretch and I'm a triple star MC. Who are you? My name is Tretch and I'm a triple star MC. Yeah, my name is Tretch and I'm a triple star MC. Who are you? My name is Tretch and I'm a triple star MC. Yo, the joker. I can snap, rap, pack, click, clack, better backpack. Take that ass to the point you have to answer your ass back. A fucking joker smoker. True to my know, if I was born in Chungy Simple, I would have turned out a show. Back then, I'm talking joker, trick me home. All the shit I hear about me losing the smoke. I ain't no fucking flash of vertical out of TT. The reason I called you a pussy, cause you are what you eat. Sexy little closer, tell us in a multiply. People that I'm talking, this is my fucking show. I wanna get sprung and you doing the swung you up. You smiling backstage on your mama, doggy style. I'm without room, and still small. Simulated sounds from a slop. Come on, semi-social, never seen slop. Come on, sorry slapping suckers, sorry slacks and slaps. Come on, slap, snapping, slap, snapping and slapping. Where you at, Joe? So, that's ever simple, so I love to go so. Come on, that's to get fast, every else now fits. Shit is not the serious, and members of the system. Smoke the joker, 3 times over, and over. Go with the flow, yup the joker. Tell your bitch ass, tap out, nigga, tap out. Yup the fuck. Shut your bitch ass up. It's a time machine. Oh shit. ATL, I know you got it, shorty. Where the weed at? You might as well be high when you travel in time, goddammit. Where the weed at? What we about to do, we about to go back. How many people want to go back to Naughty by Nature tonight, y'all? We about to go back in time. I said, how many people want to go back in time?